let's define a brush preset from our final selection here. Define brush preset, and that looks very good. Let's call it Leafy West A. There we go, that looks good. Let's not draw on our actual texture, as we might want to use it one more time. And now this is a shortcut that I really like, the shortcut of creating a new layer, and that is basically Control-Shift-N, just pressing enter, and then with Alt delete or Control delete, I fill the layer either with a back or foreground color. And this is something that I really use often, and yeah, maybe there are situations where you can actually implement that. So now, having this very basic brush, I make it a little bit smaller. So remember that even though you make your brush smaller here, and be careful, it's not saved yet, so keep the brush you're having. You can change this, but you cannot click on any brush here, otherwise it's gone. So although I'm changing the size of it, like the actual resolution of the brush is kept, the actual texture is kept. So when I go really big here, like let's go like this, you can see that it didn't lose any information because we gave it as input a nice chunk of texture.